For almost 50 years, a small creation of human ingenuity has been drifting away from the warmth of the sun. Voyager 2 does not hurry. It does not hesitate. It moves forward quietly, slipping deeper into darkness, farther from everything familiar, farther from home. When it launched in 1977, the world was very different. Computers were massive machines, calculations were slow, and no one believed a spacecraft could endure for decades. Voyager 2 was built for a limited mission, a short tour of the outer planets, a handful of years collecting data before fading into silence. That silence never arrived. Voyager 2 passed Jupiter's raging storms, skimmed Saturn's rings, revealed Uranus and Neptune as complex worlds rather than distant points of light. Then it continued onward, leaving the planets behind, slipping past icy debris and into regions no human-made object had ever reached. With each passing year, its signal weakened. Its power diminished. Yet it continued to speak. Eventually, Voyager 2 encountered something extraordinary. It reached the edge. For a long time, scientists believed the boundary of our solar system would be vague and gradual, a slow blending of solar influence into interstellar space. A gentle transition. A fading. That assumption was wrong. The change was abrupt. Conditions shifted suddenly. Radiation levels spiked. Plasma thickened. Magnetic fields twisted into unfamiliar patterns. Voyager did not drift away from the solar system. It crossed a line. This line is called the heliopause, the point where the sun's influence finally yields to the forces of the galaxy. Voyager 2 proved that this boundary is not imagined. It is real, sharp, and powerful. Inside this region, the sun protects us. Its wind and magnetic field form a shield that deflects much of the dangerous radiation that fills the galaxy. Beyond it, space is harsher, more chaotic, and far less forgiving. Voyager revealed that our solar system travels inside a fragile, breathing bubble. This bubble expands when the sun is active, pushing galactic radiation outward. When the sun grows quiet, the boundary contracts, allowing high-energy particles to creep closer to Earth. Even more unsettling, this shield is uneven. Galactic forces stretch it into a long trailing shape as our solar system moves through space. Protection, it turns out, is neither permanent nor perfect. Then came a moment that alarmed mission controllers. In 2019, Voyager 2 suddenly went silent. Signals vanished. Instruments stopped responding. After more than 4 decades, it appeared the spacecraft had finally succumbed to the cold. Then, without warning, it spoke again. Systems restarted. Communication returned. Officially, aging hardware was blamed. But the data hinted at something stranger. Just before the blackout, Voyager recorded unexplained spikes in particle energy, abrupt magnetic disturbances, and activity that did not fit existing models. Interstellar space was not empty. It was restless. Voyager's instruments revealed waves of radiation rising and falling like cosmic weather. Magnetic fields snapped and shifted. Energetic particles surged unpredictably, some tied to distant stellar events, others without any clear source. For the first time, humanity was directly measuring space beyond the sun's reach, and it was alive with motion. Then came an unexpected discovery. Scientists expected chaos where the sun's magnetic field met the galaxy's. Instead, Voyager found alignment. This raised unsettling questions. Either the sun has spent millions of years molding the surrounding galactic field, or our solar system formed within an already ordered region of space. Neither explanation is entirely comforting. What if it reacts? The sharp magnetic shifts, the sudden energy bursts, the near-perfect alignment all suggest something more complex. Perhaps the heliopause is not just a barrier, but a responsive frontier. A system that senses, records, or responds to what crosses it. Something that notices intrusion. And then there is what Voyager carries. Attached to its side is a golden record, a small disc etched with the essence of Earth. The laughter of children. The sound of wind through trees. Music from across the world. Greetings spoken in many languages. Diagrams, symbols, and a map revealing exactly where our planet resides. For decades, this record symbolized hope. Curiosity. A quiet declaration that we exist and wish to be known. But at the edge of the sun's protection, that message feels different. It is no longer just a symbol. It is a presence. A signal drifting into a universe that may not be silent. Was it simply a greeting cast into the dark? Or something more? Could the strange disturbances Voyager detected be a subtle response to the first human-made object entering this realm? Voyager 2 was never designed to ask such questions. It was built to observe, to measure, to transmit data. Yet here it is, crossing thresholds no human has ever seen, carrying not only instruments but a fragment of civilization itself. Its discoveries have shown us that the space beyond our solar system is not still. It is dynamic, structured, and turbulent. A place of invisible storms, shifting currents, and rhythms we are only beginning to understand.